Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Peak English. This is our special listening channel. I am your narrator. I am so happy to see you today. Today, we have a very fun topic. We are going to learn about coffee. Do you like coffee? We will learn how to order coffee in English, specifically at Starbucks Coffee. Starbucks is very famous. By watching this video, you will learn many things. You will learn simple coffee vocabulary. You will learn how to speak to a barista. A barista is a person who makes coffee. You will also learn how to order food. Our friends Alex and Amelia are here today. They are standing outside a Starbucks store. Alex wants to buy a drink, but Alex is a little nervous. He does not know how to order in English. Amelia will help him. Do not worry, everyone. The conversation today will be very slow. The words will be very clear. You can repeat the words after them. Are you ready? Before we start, here is your listening challenge. Please listen very carefully. Try to answer this question. What size of hot coffee does Alex order? And what sweet treat does he buy? I will repeat the question. What size of hot coffee does Alex order? And what sweet treat does he buy? Keep that question in your mind. Listen for the answers. Let us jump right into the story. Here we go.
Wow.
What is it, Alex?
Look at that sign.
Yes, I see it.
It is a big green sign.
That is the Starbucks logo.
Logo?
Yes, L-O-G-O. Logo.
Oh, I understand. The logo.
It is a beautiful logo.
It is very famous.
Yes, it is famous worldwide.
Worldwide? What does that mean?
It means all over the world.
Wow. All over the world.
Do you know when the first Starbucks opened?
No, I do not. When?
It opened in 1971.
1971? That is an old company.
Yes, it opened in Seattle.
Seattle?
Seattle, Washington, in the USA.
That is very interesting.
There are many stores now.
How many stores?
Over 33,000 stores.
33,000? That is a lot of stores.
Yes, it is.
I am ready to go inside, but I am a little nervous.
Why are you nervous, Alex?
Ordering coffee is difficult.
It is not difficult.
They have different sizes. They have different drinks. I do not know the English words.
Do not worry, Alex. I am here. I will teach you the vocabulary.
Thank you, Amelia.
Let's learn one thing first.
What is that?
A coffee bean.
Coffee bean?
Yes, B-E-A-N. Bean.
A coffee bean. What is it?
It is a seed from a coffee plant.
Where do they grow?
They grow in many countries, like Colombia.
Colombia. Okay.
And Guatemala.
Guatemala.
And in Africa, like Ethiopia.
That is very cool.
Are you ready to walk inside?
Yes, I am ready. Let's go.
Alex and Amelia are walking inside the store. Let's see what happens next.
Wow, Amelia.
What do you think?
It smells so good in here.
Yes, it does. That is the smell of the roast.
The roast?
Yes, R-O-A-S-T, roast.
What is a roast?
It is the process of drying coffee beans.
Drying the beans. I see.
They have 3 types of roasts.
3 types. What are they?
They have a light roast.
Light roast.
They have a medium roast.
Medium roast.
And a dark roast.
Dark roast. Okay, I remember.
Now, let's look at the menu.
The menu is very big.
Let's take it step by step. First, hot coffee or cold coffee?
Hot or cold?
Yes, hot coffee is warm. Cold coffee has ice.
I want hot coffee today.
Great choice. Let's learn some hot coffees.
Okay, teach me.
First is the Americano.
Americano. What is that?
It is espresso and hot water.
Espresso and water. Simple.
Next is the macchiato.
Macchiato? That is a hard word.
It is espresso with a little foam milk.
Foam milk. Okay.
Next is my favorite, the latte.
Latte? Latte?
Yes, a latte is espresso.
Yes.
And steamed milk.
Steamed milk? What is that?
It is basically hot milk.
Oh, hot milk. I understand.
And a little foam milk on top.
Sounds very good.
Then we have the cappuccino.
Cappuccino?
It is similar to a latte, but it has a lot more foam milk.
More foam milk. Got it.
And finally, the mocha.
Mocha? Mocha?
Yes, a mocha has espresso. It has chocolate. And it has steamed milk.
Chocolate? I love chocolate.
It is a sweet, chocolatey drink.
I think I want a mocha.
A hot mocha?
Yes, a hot mocha.
Perfect. Now let's talk about caffeine.
Caffeine?
Yes. Do you want energy?
Yes, I need energy.
Then you want regular coffee. It has caffeine.
What if I do not want energy?
You can choose decaf.
Decaf?
Decaffeinated coffee. Decaf. It has no caffeine.
I want regular coffee.
Okay, now what about food?
Do they have food here?
Yes, they have sweet treats.
Look at that glass case.
What do you see?
I see a banana loaf bread.
Yes, it is very delicious.
How much does it cost?
It costs $3.95.
$3.95. That is okay.
They also have pumpkin loaf bread.
Pumpkin? No, thank you.
They have a chocolate chip cookie.
How much is the cookie?
It costs $2.95.
I will take the banana nut bread.
Great choice.
But wait, Amelia.
What is wrong, Alex?
What about the sizes? I do not know the sizes here.
Ah, yes. The sizes. They are very different here.
They do not use small, medium, large?
No, they do not. A small cup is called a tall.
Tall? But tall means very high.
I know. It is funny. Small is tall.
Okay, small is tall.
A medium cup is called a grande.
Grande? That sounds Spanish.
Yes, grande means large in Spanish. But here it means medium.
That is very confusing.
I know. Just remember, grande is medium.
Okay. Grande is medium.
And a large cup is called a venti.
Venti. Venti?
Yes, venti is large.
Let me repeat. Tall is small. Grande is medium. Venti is large.
Perfect, Alex. You did it.
I want a small coffee, so I will order a tall.
Yes, a tall white chocolate mocha.
I am ready to order at the counter.
Let's go to the counter.
Alex is walking to the counter. He is going to talk to the barista. Listen carefully to his order.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like a coffee, please. I would like a tall white chocolate mocha.
Okay, a tall white chocolate mocha. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
All right, a hot, tall white chocolate mocha. Anything to eat today?
Yes. May I have the banana nut bread?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you want it warmed up?
Warmed up?
She means hot. Do you want the bread hot?
Oh, yes, warmed up, please.
Okay, warmed up. What is your name for the order?
My name is Alex.
All right, Alex. Your total is $10.43.
$10.43. Okay.
How would you like to pay?
I will use Apple Pay. Here is my phone.
Perfect. It went through. Do you need a receipt?
Receipt?
A piece of paper with the price.
Yes, please. I need a receipt.
Here is your receipt. We will have your order ready at the end of the counter.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
I did it, Amelia.
Great job, Alex. You ordered perfectly.
The barista was very nice.
Now we just stand here and wait. We wait for them to call your name.
Okay, I will listen for my name.
I have a tall, hot white chocolate mocha for Alex and a warmed-up banana nut bread.
That is me. Thank you.
Enjoy your coffee.
Look, Alex, let's take your drink over here.
What is over here?
This is the condiment bar.
What do they have here?
They have straws.
Straws. STRAW. To drink cold drinks.
Yes. And they have coffee stoppers.
Coffee stopper? What is a stopper?
It is this little green stick. You put it inside the hole of your cup
Why do I put it in the hole?
to keep the coffee nice and warm and to prevent it from spilling.
Spilling? Like falling out?
Yes, it stops the coffee from spilling out.
That is very smart. I will take one stopper.
Are you ready to take a seat?
Yes. Where can we sit?
Let's sit outside on the patio.
The patio! The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it is very sunny.
I am sitting down now. I want to drink my coffee.
Wait, Alex.
What? What is wrong?
Before drinking, you must take out the green stopper.
Oh, yes, I forgot. I will take out the green stopper. I will put it on the table. Now I am going to take my first sip.
Be careful.
Wow, that is very good.
Do you like the white chocolate mocha?
Yes, it is sweet and delicious. Ouch!
What happened?
The cup is very hot.
I told you to be careful. You need a sleeve.
A sleeve? SLEEVE?
Yes, here is a cardboard sleeve. It goes around the hot drink.
Why?
Because it is a hot drink, the sleeve will protect your fingers.
Oh, thank you, Amelia. My fingers are safe now.
Do you want to add sugar to your coffee?
Sugar?
Yes, they have sugar packets here.
What kind of sugar packets do they have?
They have 3 choices. They have brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
They have white sugar.
White sugar.
And they have a substitute called stevia.
Substitute?
Yes, it is like sugar, but not real sugar.
I understand. But I do not want a sugar packet.
Why not?
Because this mocha already has way too much sugar.
You are right. It is very sweet.
Let me try the banana nut bread. It is warm and soft.
Do you think it is expensive, Alex?
Expensive? Let me look at the receipt. For the tall mocha, I paid $4.95. For the banana bread, I paid $3.95. With taxes, the total was $10.43. I think that is okay for a nice day.
I am glad you are happy, Alex.
Thank you for teaching me, Amelia. I know how to order at Starbucks now.
You did a wonderful job.
Wow, what a great story. Did you enjoy listening to Alex and Amelia? Alex did a very good job, right? He was nervous at first, but he learned the vocabulary. He learned about coffee beans and roasts. He learned the funny size names, tall, Grande, and Venti. And he ordered his coffee perfectly. I hope you feel confident too. Now you can go to a coffee shop and order in English. Let's go back to our listening challenge. Do you remember the question? The question was, what size of hot coffee did Alex order? And what sweet treat did he buy? Think about it. Did he order a grande? Did he buy a cookie? I know you have the answer. Please write your answer in the comments below. Please write it in English. Do not be shy. Writing a simple sentence helps you learn very fast. We read every single comment. If you liked this video, please click the like button and please subscribe to the Peak English channel. We will make more slow and easy videos for you. Thank you so much for watching and listening today. Keep practicing your English. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.